Alright, today I'm taking a look at the American Floor Mats Hog Heaven Premium 7 to 8 inch anti-fatigue mat. So I got this one unrolled, and you can see it's going to take a little bit of breaking in because it was just rolled up so long. But it's not too terribly bad. You can see a little bit more here on the end where it was curled to the inside. With enough impact that we're going to be putting on it, that shouldn't take long to straighten up. It is definitely very cushiony. Got the branding on it, and it is nice and thick. So here you can see some of the difference. Here is the black with the black border, and this is the black with the yellow border. It's kind of a shiny material, which might be a good thing because it feels a little bit more slick. This is definitely super grippy right here. This will grab onto your boot no matter what you got on there. You can kind of see on the bottom just where the cushion is. So this is a pretty dense rubbery foam. And then on the side, this is just the rubber padding that goes on top. But you can see the approximate size of it, fairly big. This is the 3 foot by 4 foot, and that does come out to about 4 feet. But the foam part is a little bit shorter. We're looking at about 37, 38 inches. I did notice, like right around here, there is some little patches going on where it looks like maybe some of the material came off, or could be in shipping, could just be spray of the foam at the factory. Not really sure. I saw that on a few of these. But I guess the bigger thing to me is that I didn't order them like this. I ordered all 6 black with black sides. So I don't know why I got 4 like this. It's not really a big deal for us. I'm just going to make do. But keep in mind, that's something that could happen. Here's another one. A couple little patches. It's not a heck of a lot. And this is the one where I noticed it on. I think this one's got it the worst. I don't know if that's something that'll wear off if you scrape it, or if the whole mat is going to end up looking like that. But that is the extent of what I see on these. So all right, first step. Oh yeah, these things are really cushiony. Can't really tell the difference between them. They're basically the same, just the side right here. So I definitely have good grip there. It's a little bit slicker on this one, not by much, just a little bit. Honestly, that might be a good thing because, like, this one, if I slide my foot against it, it's not going to roll up as easily. It did right there. But on this one, I guess it didn't really right there either. I feel like this one is going to catch on the side more, so it's probably going to show more wear on the edges on this one. This one just kind of stands out to me. I didn't really like the design. But ultimately, they serve their purpose. They feel comfortable, so we can stand for much longer without our feet hurting. Okay.